Weather from where you live.
All right, a few little showers begin to sneak in perhaps tomorrow morning. Now, the thing is, it's not out of the question in our northwest counties. A little sleet may mix in very briefly, and then it's a steady rain, and perhaps even a little isolated thunder. Kind of a cool, raw day. Winds east to southeast, and temperatures kind of hovering in the 40s, eventually around 50 for a high, around 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, and then that rain exits. Now, here's the thing. We will likely drop a little bit tomorrow night as the wind turns a little bit to the east-northeast. So we'll probably drop down 40 to about 47 for a while during the night, and I expect areas of dense fog to form. But then we start to rise later on tomorrow night, and by 8 o'clock Thursday morning, temperatures are 48 to 60 over the area, and then about 55 at Lafayette. And then we keep rising on Thursday after the cloudy skies and eventually the fog dispersing in the morning hours of Thursday with mid-50s at 9, 68 late in the day. And we're going to have a round of rain and some storms come through midday and through the afternoon. Then that gets out of here, and we may dry out a little bit in the evening, but it will get warm and it will get windy with highs generally by 8 p.m. Thursday evening. We're going to max out between about 65 and 70 degrees. There are a couple light showers in the morning, perhaps a little sleet up here. Scattered showers increase to a widespread steady cold rain for tomorrow. Can't rule out an isolated rumble of thunder. Then things get out of here tomorrow night, and we have areas of dense fog that develop. Gets a little colder, then temperatures begin to rise because you'll notice the arrows, they were northeast. See how now they're going to the southeast. Warmer air will start to come in. On Thursday, here's that round of rain and some storms that will come through midday to the afternoon. It's not out of the question. There could be one isolated severe storm embedded in this that produces hail. Then things shut off a bit in the evening, but Thursday night, specifically between about midnight or 1 and 5 o'clock early Friday morning, storms are going to come in. We may have a couple lines of storms with even a few little discrete cells in these two lines. Those will come over the area, and with that, severe weather risk. Then the sun comes out for a while Friday morning, and it's warm before finally the cold front goes through, and then temperatures crash Friday afternoon. I do think the slight risk will be expanded to cover part of our viewing area, specifically for Thursday night. Again, in that midnight 1 a.m. to about 5 a.m. time frame. Can't rule out an isolated brief tornado or two. A couple severe gusts, maybe a little isolated hail, and some locally heavy rainfall as well between Wednesday and Friday. I think we could get a 1 to 3 inch rain out of this, and a lot of wind too. Gradient wind from the storm system. Winds may gust more than 40 miles an hour, not only Thursday night, but also in a part of Friday. 68 on Thursday late, 68 then falling Friday after lows only in the 60s Thursday night, Friday.